Welcome to the Tikit demo series. In today's presentation, we're going to work through and highlight how Tikit can integrate into any external application through our integration with Power Automate. Now, Tikit has a full connector library in Power Automate, which allows for us to do all sorts of interesting automation stories around business processes. But in today's presentation, we're going to highlight how an end user can submit a ticket to Tikit from an interface and experience a form outside of Tikit. In this example today, we're gonna have an end user submit a form via Microsoft Forms, but this can be any form, Microsoft Forms, a SharePoint form, things of that nature. And the submission of that form is going to, through Power Automate, be able to have that submission create a ticket within Tikit and allow for that ticket to be naturally managed by the support organization. Now, why is this important? Some of our customers, when they move forward with Tikit, have forms, Microsoft Forms or SharePoint forms, that are where their end users currently submit facilities requests or HR requests, and they don't want to disrupt the end user experience, but they still want to use Tikit as a backend to receive those requests and create tickets. And we can do that through our integration with Power Automate. So we're going to highlight that experience here with the facilities request. In today's presentation, to highlight this, we're going to work from two personas. On the left-hand side here is Adele. She's my end user in the business, and she's going to be submitting the facilities request. And on the right-hand side here is Diego. He's my agent, and he'll be receiving the request from the business. So in this particular example, the facilities request. So Adele's going to go over to her facilities request form like she normally would, and she's going to submit that form. So let's say that today her light bulb went out in her office, and she wants to submit that form. So she'll say, I need my light bulb. Now in my form, I'm asking for two things. You can build a form as big or as small as you like, and we can bring all that data over to the ticket when created. For me, I'm just asking for the location of the request. So let's say it's on floor 1. I'm in office 3A. Now, when I submit that ticket, submit that form, Adele doesn't know the wiser. She submitted a form like she always has, and she's going to assume that facilities is going to pick that up like they always do. But what you're going to see here on the right-hand side is that we actually took that submission and created a ticket within Tikit and assigned it to the facilities team. So Diego got a notification here. And the notification was that a new ticket was created, ticket 1612. And that is capturing the details of that facilities request. So the title that she put in the form was brought over. The location was brought over as well. We also tagged it as a service request at the category to facilities. We assigned it to the facilities team, assigned it to the facilities support group. And now the facilities team has it. They can work through the ticket, they can manage the ticket, and resolve the ticket like they would normally do inside of Tikit here. Now, this is what it looks like in Teams. Let's take a look at what it looks like in the web. So what we'll do here is we'll go over here and bring up the Tikit agent portal. Oops. Didn't even click add ticket there. So if I refresh this view here, you'll see ticket 1612 has been created, and we'll see that ticket that was referenced in Teams is now here as well. So assign categories facilities, assign to the facilities team and the facility support group. If I click on ticket 1612, just like I would have created this in Tikit, it's the same experience. I can modify the ticket, I can send an update to the end user, letting them know we have the ticket. And she'll receive this in Tikit virtual agent like she normally would. Now, what does this look like in Power Automate? How do we actually connect a Microsoft form or any other form and be able to connect it into Tikit to create that ticket? We're going to take a look at that now. So here's Microsoft Power Automate. And I have a bunch of flows here that highlight different scenarios, but specifically at the top here, I have my facilities request form. And if I edit that form here, what you'll see here are the different elements that we have to actually grab and submit that form. So here you'll see that when a form is created, I'm targeting the facilities request form. I'm then getting the response details from that facilities request form. I'm then going in and creating a new ticket here. And I'm grabbing certain elements from the facilities request form. So what you'll see here is I'm grabbing the details here to pass over the title. I'm grabbing the email address of the requester to be able to make Adele the requester here. I'm also setting the properties of the ticket, constructing the ticket at this point. So I'm able to set the status here, the priority, the ticket type. Once I've constructed the ticket the way I want, I'm then going in and adding a comment to that ticket. In this particular example, I'm grabbing the location of the request, which is right here. And this gives me the ability to then bring the form over to the ticket, all details of the ticket, and construct that ticket. I want to thank you for watching today's presentation. And if you have any questions, please email team@tikit.ai.